In this exercise, we'll graph the equation 9x squared plus y squared equals 36. Now we can tell from the form of the equation that the graph will be an ellipse, and let's write this in standard form for the equation of an ellipse. If I divide on both sides of the equation by 36, I get x squared over 4 plus y squared over 36 is equal to 1. And then I can write this as x squared over 2 squared plus y squared over 6 squared is equal to 1. Now this is the standard form for the equation of an ellipse whose center is at the origin at 0, 0. And the number 2 we call A, and the number 6 we call B. And knowing that A is 2 and that the equation is centered at the origin tells us that the x-intercepts of the graph are going to be negative 2, 0 and 2, 0. And the y-intercepts are going to be 0, negative 6, and 0, 6. So these are 4 points on the graph of the ellipse. And let's plot those 4 points. Here's negative 2, 0. This is 2, 0. This is 0, negative 6. And this is 0, 6. And now we'll draw a curve through these 4 points. You know, remember an ellipse is an oval-shaped curve. And this graph should actually be a little less pointy at the top and a little more smooth down here. But this gives you an idea of the shape of the curve, and it tells you how to go about producing the graph. And the last thing that we'll do here is to label the graph with the equation 9x squared plus y squared equals 36.